Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with M&G Investments Review My Usage Experience. M&G Investments Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for researching and comparing investment funds managed by M&G Investments. It's primarily aimed at individual investors and financial advisors looking to make informed decisions about their investment portfolios. Key features likely include fund performance data, risk profiles, and potentially some tools for portfolio construction or analysis. Their website provides details on the specific features available. M&G Investments positions itself as a provider of reliable investment information. Their website emphasizes transparency, although specific pricing details are often dependent on the chosen investment products. The platform's ease of use is key to their appeal. They aim to make complex investment data accessible to a wider audience. Availability is generally online, accessible via their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using M&G Investments Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply registered on their website, which took less than 5 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. I quickly found the search function and was able to easily locate information on specific funds I was interested in. I particularly appreciated the clear presentation of key performance indicators like annual returns and expense ratios. The data seemed reliable and consistent with what I found on other financial websites. I was also impressed by the comprehensive fund fact sheets available for download. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive charting tools for comparing multiple funds side by side. I had to manually record some data to create my own comparisons in a spreadsheet. I had a quick question about a specific fund sustainability rating, and their support team responded within 2 days via email, which I found perfectly acceptable. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed breakdown of fund holdings, allowing me to understand the underlying investments more clearly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with M&G Investments Review. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and provided valuable insights for my investment research. That's my overview of M&G Investments Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.